In this video, we're going to be talking about the looping function on the DDJ 400. Looping is a great way to add individual flair to your mixes. You can use it creatively to extend certain parts of the track and also use it as a mixing aid, which is what we'll be doing today. On the DDJ 400, there are two different looping sections that we can take a look at. Up the top here, we have the standard in-out adjustment, which some of you may be familiar with. And at the bottom, we've got the beat loop pads, which is what we'll be using today. So now that our track is playing, we need to set our loop on the downbeat. The downbeat is the 1. So we're going to find the downbeat by counting the beats of the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hit it on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that our track is looping 4 bars, it'll stay looped until we turn it off. Next up, we need to look at the track that we're mixing in. Now, I've already got this track beat matched and I've already set it up to play from where I want it to play from. But before we do that, let's go take a look at the EQs, as we'll be using that in our mix today. The EQs are these 3 knobs on the channel strip here. They control the highs, mids, and the lows independently. When we turn the knob all the way to the left, we cut that band of EQ, and to the right, we boost it. Now, the low controls the bass and the kick. The mid controls the synths. And then the high cuts out the hi-hats and the percussion. We're going to turn the lows all the way down on the track that we're mixing in, and we're also going to bring the up fader all the way down as well, as we'll be using those to mix today. Anyways, we're going to drop into this track on the downbeat as well, so on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to bring up the up fader slowly. Now that the up faders are both up, I'm going to swap over the low band EQs. And then finally, we can bring the up fader down on the track that we're mixing out of. Perfect. That was a looping long mix transition. This gives us a lot more control over our levels and also how our tracks blend into each other. If you want to find out more about the gear that you've seen today, check out pioneerdj.com. And if you want to learn more about DJing and dance music production, check out pointblankmusicschool.com.